Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to insert SIM card on Infinix Smart 8. Okay guys, if you bought some new phone, so you have to insert your SIM card guys. Okay, now I will insert my SIM card, and the way to do that it's quite easy. Okay, first thing first, as you can see, there is the place to put SIM card, and then we will dispense it out by using an injector like this, and then you can take slowly like this. So yeah, this is the place of SIM card and memory card. So the next step is you can fill or you can insert the SIM card, and then you can insert to your phone again. And so yeah, the type of your SIM card will be directly read by cell phone guys like this, and you can check by scroll down. And so yeah, the SIM card is already to be used. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to insert SIM card on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching guys.